Why isn't Wyatt back yet? He should have gotten back from finding that fire-breathing whatever the heck he was looking for an hour ago. Hey guys, did you find one? Nope. Instead, I found a new friend that I'd like you all to meet. Oh, you made a new friend in the forest? That's odd. Yeah, it really is. Everybody, I'd like you to meet Dippy. Hey guys! Oh, hi. How are you?
But he looks like a cave boy.
Yeah, guys, I know. Dippy, Tyra, Aurora, Dippy, Ashley, Dippy, Devin, Dippy, Devin, Aurora, Dippy, Aurora, Dippy, Simon, Dippy, Evan, Dippy, and I am Wyatt. Oh, wow, that's complex.
Actually, my name is Bartholomew.
What?
I'm just messing with you. I really am an Evan.
Woo! So there are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of you here, huh? Yep. Cool. I guess this makes me number 8. Well, if we count Lana and Valerie, then you'd be number 10. 10? Oh, okay. So, guys, how do you feel that Dippy is officially one of us now? It's alright. Devin said I was alright! Yep, that's just Devin. You're not all that bad. Thank you, stranger! His name is Simon. Oh, thank you, Silas! No, it's Simon. Oh, got that, Spencer! Dippy! Oh, is your name Dippy, too? No, his name is Simon. Oh. Well, you know, my name is Simon. Simon, don't even start. Okay, fine.
Welcome to the group, Dippy.